What's up, guys? My name is Alex Grinets. Today is Friday, and actually I failed in a Miracle Morning challenge. I thought everything was nice and everything was good, but it was, as usual in life, it was all good until it became not good. And it's my fail. It's another time when I failed in this challenge, and I don't know exactly what to do. It's my fail. No, nothing serious as reasons, and I don't know what to do really. Okay, I did today several exercises in the morning, and you can see it in shorts, and that's it for today. Hope see you next time.